In the bright, sunlit garden, a tiny spider starts its ascent up a tall, glistening water spout. The spider moves upward with optimistic determination, each step a testament to its resolve. Birdsong fills the air, weaving a hopeful melody around the small climber. The garden is plunged into chaos as dark clouds unleash a torrential downpour. The Itsy Bitsy spider battles desperately against the relentless rain, its fragile grip faltering. Overwhelmed by the storm's fury, the spider is swept away, plummeting into the depths below. The sun breaks through the clouds, casting a warm glow over the rain-kissed garden. With unwavering resolve, the Itsy Bitsy spider begins its ascent up the glistening water spout. Bathed in sunlight, the garden returns to tranquility, celebrating the Itsy Bitsy spider's triumph over adversity.
It's Fables TV.